Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm very pleased and rather excited to announce an upgrade to our trend bars indicator, giving us this trend bar across the bottom. Now this is not just any old trend bar based on moving average crossovers or anything like that. This is actually pretty complicated. Have a look at this. Let's just go through some of these. At the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you what this is capable of. And as we progress through the video, I'll explain the strategy. These signals fire. All right, we've got a red bar. So we're looking for red signals. We've got a triangle, a dot, and another triangle. If either of these fire within this red bar, we take the trade. There's no technical analysis, there's no higher time frame reference, there's no this, there's no that. Simply put, this fires, we've got a break right there, and we're looking for the retrace into a range prior to the break, and there's an entry. Okay, red bar, red signal, take the trade, and look at the outcome here. Let's just run through some of these and have a look, see how they stack up. Might have missed this one because when that signal fired, we didn't see the red bar under, so we can disregard that. Coming back here, we're looking for a red signal. Here it is, look, right there. Red bar under, a red signal, we take it. So this one we short on the next candle near the dot, and look at the outcome. Aussie yen, red bar paints under, red signal, we look for the retrace. There's your short. Look at the outcome. Aussie Kiwi. That's the signal. We're within the red bar. That's the signal. We're looking for the retrace back in. And what we're looking for is, if we mark that up, look left, pick up the range to the left. And when we get the pull back into this range, that's when we short it. Stop loss above the cloud. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Red bar, red signal. In fact, this red dot here was just prior, so we probably would have missed that, but we would have caught that. We're looking for the pullback up into the range. There's your signal. Here's the range, back up in here. The range prior to the signal, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, you want to get that pullback right up into here. I mean, even if you caught it down here, it doesn't matter. Look at the outcome. Bitcoin. You can trade Forex, crypto, metals, indices, it doesn't matter. Look at this trade here, guys. Red signal pulls back into the range. We could short it here. We've got a red dot, pulls back into the range. We short it here. CAD Swiss. I can tell you now, we're looking at easy a 90% win rate with this. Green. Okay, look at this. We're looking for green signals. So basically what we're doing is we're setting up the trend channel signals here. Click on that, add alert, trend channel, and we want break 1, we want break 2, and we want extended on every currency pair. We're going to create 3 signals, and we're going to select once per bar. Notifications, I like sound, and I don't want the pop-ups because there's going to be a few. Don't worry about this, it's just a bit of a rave regarding indicators painting and not repainting, what have you. That's irrelevant. And then we create, I'm going to run through and create these shortly. I won't do it now. Green bar. Okay, there's a buy. Nice trade. Here we go again. Green dot. We're always looking for the pullback down in. Look at this. I did a video on gold, scalping gold a couple of days ago, and on that particular account, I was scalping. So what I do is I tend to allow a maximum of either 2% exposure or 2.4% exposure, something like that, keeping a lid on the risk. Now, with the scalping strategy, you can allow 2 trades and go with a 1% risk if you want on each. So that gives you a 2% exposure. On the account that I was trading with, that gold video, it's a $110,000 account, or 111. The range 1-to-1 was worth about $1,500. If this is worth $1,500, risking 1%, what is that worth? Think about it. Look at this. That's on that particular account, that's about $1,500 worth of value at the moment. Seriously. And if you trade this well, pull your stop loss up, trail it, look what's possible. let's just run through a few more of these and just show you some of them. Okay, green, green, but we didn't get a triangle or a dot, so we just let it go. That's back here. We got a triangle within this green zone, so that was a buy on the pullback. Okay, there's a trade. Swissy yen. Okay, so far, guys, we're looking at 100% win rate here. Look at this, okay, red zone. See, this thing fires. It shows up in the alerts log. We click it, we come in, 5-minute chart, no technical analysis. This fires. Is it within the zone? Yes, it is. All right, we take the trade. What are we going to do? Right, we mark up the range. So that's where it fired. This is the range prior. And I'm looking for the low of this range. That'll do. Just through here. This range through here. That's what I'm looking for. Let's just mark that through here. And I'm looking for the pullback in. All right, so then that would have been my entry. Stop loss above the cloud. Our indicators are based on variations of the average true range calculator. So no matter what time frame you're on, we use the cloud for our stop loss levels, targets, etc. Look at this trade. In any case, I'm going to wrap up the video shortly. This one down here, I just jumped onto the pound yen here. Again, signal fires. We get the pullback down in. Okay, we're within the green bar, and look at the outcome here. And depending on how well you read it, I mean, you might have closed on the red dot. That's always an indication. If you're still trailing it, look at that. There's another opportunity to enter here on this signal. Pull back, enter. That might have been a little bit short-lived. We go 1-to-1. I would have closed it here. If we're going with the 1-to-1, we'll take 70% and trail the rest. So, I mean, still, that's a winning trade. This one, there's another opportunity. So we got the break, we got the pullback. Okay, so here's the high, this range. Okay, so there's the pullback down into the range. Another entry, and away we go. I'd say to you, check it out. Head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. There's the store over here. This is a month-to-month option. I'll let you do the math. Try it for a month. See how you go. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I look forward to hearing from you.